Welcome to this tutorial where we'll cover creating, editing, and managing your customer accounts. First, let's take a look at how to create a new customer by navigating to the Sales tab. Then, under New, select Customer. Within the New Customer screen, you'll be required to populate all fields marked with a red asterisk in order to save the customer in the system. You can choose a parent account to create a customer hierarchy and enable Bill Parent to combine their sales history, and can add comments to the customer, which will automatically be added and displayed on the Note field when creating sales orders. Custom fields can be added to the profile by selecting one of the additional attributes options you can create. You can also add tags that can be used to filter and identify customers in reports and other areas of the system. The address section allows you to attach multiple addresses to the customer. You can do this by adding the address manually with the plus button or use the autocomplete address search tool. Three types of addresses can be specified: billing, business, and shipping. This information will be picked up on the invoice and shipping documents produced for customers. If the customer has multiple addresses of the same type, you can set a default address using the checkbox. You can then add multiple contacts to your customer record. We recommend adding all contact details as it'll save you time from having to re-enter this information manually each time you create a sales order. The option to include the contact in emails means they'll be CC'd on any system-generated emails, like invoices. You can also edit their marketing consent, which syncs from point-of-sale transactions and integrates with your external CRM. Once done, click Save. The Default Templates tab allows you to select the default document and email templates that will be used for this customer's sale documents. Select templates from the drop-down fields and save your changes. Now let's explore an existing customer record. Navigate to Sales and under Search, select Customers. Then click on a customer to open their profile. On the left side of the screen, you'll find tabs with additional customer records. You can view your customer's sales history by the products they purchased, or by viewing their history of sales documents generated. In the Invitation section, you can invite the customer to your Cin7 B2B portal by clicking on the email icon to send an invitation. Within the Product Pricing tab, you can add products and set custom prices for your customer, which automatically override the regular price tier during a sale. In the Attachments tab, you can upload and store relevant files to the customer profile. The Child Accounts tab displays the accounts that belong to this parent customer. The Activity Log tab shows any changes that users or the system have made to the customer record. Keep in mind that Cin7 Core has additional functionality to set up default field values that automatically populate when adding new customers. And that covers creating and managing customers in Cin7 Core.